Evolution represents a process that is never fully complete for a woodworker. Inspirations evolve as life experiences shape our creativity. Skills evolve as we share tips and techniques with friends and mentors. And our workshops evolve as we refine our skills. At Powermatic, we're proud to introduce the latest example of our evolution, this Powermatic cabinet table saw. As with every product Powermatic builds, this Powermatic redefines the limits of design, innovation, and durability. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Precision ground cast ironwork surface. Features a beveled edge for smoother operation. Number 2. Poly V-belt drive system. Reduces vibration and maximizes efficiency. Number 3. Miter gauge pivots 60 degrees left, right. Allows easy adjustment for a full range of cuts. Number 4. Arbor lock. One-handed blade changes with minimal tools. Number 5. Exclusive access fence system. Provides rigidity and precision. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.